Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have just filmed this cute makeup look, so if you like it, it'll either be the video before this or the video after, I'm not sure. So this video is all about the Cocoa Brown and the Sosumi Dripping Gold. They're both in medium, so I thought I'd just put a little note in at the start because the video is not very long, but I noticed when I was just looking back over, I didn't actually give a full answer. Brown is like €8 and Dripping Gold is 20 odd. I'm still going to use Cocoa Brown if I'm honest. I feel like they both washed off the same. The Sosumi was a little smidge darker, nothing bad with that. It wasn't like going a complete shade darker, it was just a little smidge darker. But even you'll see in the video, like you can't even tell the difference, but up close I could kind of tell it was a little bit darker. And they both lasted a day and a half on my face because, you know, I wash my face twice a day, sometimes like 5 times because I do lots of cool makeup. I'll insert some here. And they both lasted the same, the wear off was the same, they scrubbed off just as easy. So all in all, I think it's like a 5-star for both, but it depends on you. I don't know if Dripping Gold has like any like benefit. I know some tans, like the Via Bella one, I know their thing is that it's like 20 odd as well, but the thing is it's good for your skin. It has some like moisturizing stuff in it. Dripping Gold doesn't, neither does the Cocoa Brown, so I think they're both just two cool tans. I will try it again in the summer and see just how long it lasts, like in the sun or in the water on holidays. So I do find with Cocoa Brown that when the second I go into the water, into the salt water, that's it, my tan is just gone. And it just comes, what I like though is when it comes off just all in once. It's not all like bitty or anything. So I will try this in the summer as well, go down to the beach when it happens. Yeah, all in all, I just think do whatever you want to do, support whoever you want to support. In saying that, like I use so many other lashes, I use Sosumi products all the time and I absolutely love them. I have no problem with that, but I just think, oh, and this spray tan mist stuff, I like that as well. When saying this, it's just, I think it's too much for what it is, but that's just me. So I'm probably going to stick to the Cocoa Brown one. I'm trying to see the mils. This is 100 mils and this is 95 mils. I'm not sure about the big bottles, how many mils are in each one, so I don't even have a bottle here. But yeah, all in all, 5-star to both, just depending who you want to support as a brand, I guess, maybe, or whatever money you have. But say you are using this and you're short a cash moment or something, and you can't find this in the shop, get the Cocoa Brown. Exfoliate and moisturize, wait a half an hour, that's what I always do, and the tan always goes on fine. I can't remember, I think because I filmed the rest of this video like last week or something, so I think I did put the Cocoa Brown on all over the other day. Went a little funny on my elbows, but I think I just didn't moisturize properly beforehand. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you think below, which tan you use, and I'll see you in my next video. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be comparing Sosumi Dripping Gold and Cocoa Brown tan. So if you want to see the results, please continue watching and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. So I went on to Cloud 10 Beauty and I went to buy some Cocoa Brown because I always use it. And I noticed they only had extra dark and I thought it might be a little too dark, so I just went ahead and I just got a little travel one to keep me going until they have it back in stock. And then I saw the Sosumi one was a little bit discounted for a travel one, and I guess I always use the Cocoa Brown because it's like €8 or something for a big bottle, and then the Dripping Gold is like 20 odd. So I guess I just always cheap out the Cocoa Brown and I never have any problems with it. It always works really well. So I'm going to do one side Cocoa Brown, one side Sosumi, and I'm going to see how it develops and how it fades. I do a bit of Cocoa Brown on right now, so I'm going to have a shower. I'm going to exfoliate, moisturize, and then put the tan on a little later. I'm going to shower it off in the morning. So I'm going to show you like before, and then I'm going to show you when it's all on tonight, and then when it's washed off, and then in like 3 or 4 days to compare or wash off, because I have a shower every day. I use a soft sponge to like wash myself, so I normally get 4 days out of this. But my hands, you can tell my hands, I've been like doing makeup and stuff, but you can tell my hands do go like a funny color, but just because I'm constantly washing my hands all day, it doesn't stay on my face more than 2 days either. So we're going to compare it to this, even my face. Yeah, so continue watching if you want to see what happens. Yeah. So I have 2 different mitts to make sure I don't mix them. I'm about to get in the shower and I'll be out when all this tan is scrubbed off. Ooh, let me turn off the dryer. So I've literally just got out of the bath and I'm all scrubbed, as you can see, still a bit red from scrubbing. So I'm gonna put on a bit of moisturizer, wait a while, like a half an hour, and then I'm gonna come and tan and show you what they both look like. So I just applied some number 7 lotion all over my body, especially to let my knees and elbows to make sure they're not dry. So this is me with no tan on. I have to use the ring light, but I will use natural daylight in the morning. So I'm going in with the cocoa brown at first, and I'm just applying it on the pink one, which is actually the cocoa brown's own range mitt. And I'm just applying it to one side of my body and my face. As you can see, it's kind of difficult to hold the camera and do it at the same time, but I just all over one side, and I'd put it on my face as well, just to make sure I could really see a defined difference, to see, do the tones look different, the undertones or anything, what works better. So I spent a couple of seconds flipping it to see which one I had to use for the right side, but then I put a little bit of the cocoa brown beside just so I could see the slight color difference, and you can see it. So I think this Sosumi, even though it's medium as well, at this point it looked a lot darker, but we'll see in the morning what it's like. So then I just applied this on this half, and I tried to get it as direct as possible, but it was like my left hand, so it was slightly harder to do, but you can see. So then I went to bed. This is me the morning after, literally just out of bed, and I just wanted to show you how the tan went. So you can see the Sosumi on my face is a little darker, and I am taking into consideration the fact that I did it 2 different mitts and 2 different sides as well, but the Sosumi one is definitely a little bit darker. It does have a slight different tone. Not sure if I love it or hate it. It does have more of a smell, but all in all they looked pretty much similar at this stage. So then I went in for a shower. So I've had a shower and stuff now, and I'm in front of the window, so I'm just going to take it off and show you. So this was day 2. This is how the tan looked after my second shower. I can see both of them are pretty similar. They both washed off just as well, but I do have a video coming up now in a second where it is on like the 3rd day, but this is like the 2nd day, and the tan both look great. Always a little funny on my hands, but yeah, all in all both of them work the same. It was me in the bath. I think this was 4 days after, so you can see it's pretty much gone, starting to go a little patchy. My hands are gone already. I have a cold sore, ignore that.